Sweet, salty, spicy and sour, this magnificent Yuletide meal is a real snowstopper. There's enough to feed a crowd, and you can usually count on having some leftovers for perfect picky bits and cold cuts during the festivities. Trim the fat from a large gammon joint and cover with water. Bring to the boil, then simmer for 20 minutes per 450 grams of gammon, plus an additional 20 minutes. To make the pickled sprouts, halve and trim 200 grams of Brussels and blanch in a saucepan of boiling water over a high heat for 3 minutes. Drain and refresh under cold running water and set aside. To make the pickling vinegar, slice 1 garlic clove and add to a hot pan. Pour in 100 ml of red wine vinegar, some mixed pink and black peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, 2 teaspoons of soft dark brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard seeds, and half a teaspoon of dried chilli flakes. Heat until bubbling, then pour over the sprouts and set aside for the flavours to develop. Just drain off the liquid when you're ready to eat. When your gammon is cooked, and you can now call it a ham, drain it, remove the string, drizzle over 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and half a teaspoon of allspice. Loosely cover with foil and roast at 200°C, fan 180°C or gas 6 for 45 minutes. While that's cooking, make the cherry sauce. Fry 400 grams of stoned black cherries, a sliced red onion, 4 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, half a teaspoon of allspice, and 150 ml of water. Cook over a medium-high heat for about 15 minutes till thickened and reduced. Serve straight away with your favourite spuds.